Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial on slide bar and action bar. So I've already created it. You can simply download this AI and start uh, making your project from this AI. Screen 1 I have given empty. So you can see over here the home. When I click home, it goes back over here. Oops. If I click on website, it will open main. If I click back and if I go from here website, you can see main has been opened. And after setting the, when I go to designer and go to screen 1, just set this resizing to responsive so that screen size will not be stuck and it will be automatically changed.